Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. 12V cordless LED light from Parkside, the model pllB 12A1. It is compatible with all X12V Team Series rechargeable batteries with two brightness levels 50 and 100%, max lumen 700 with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. And the manuals. Highly adjustable with magnets. At the 2 foot. The LED lights, 2 total, and another one here. Input 12V 8 watts for the 2 COB LEDs. Soft elements here. You can have it just like that, wherever you want, it is your choice. Here we have the suspension hook, 2 metals. I like that separation of the 2 metals. Rotatable, 360 degrees. Definitely you will find the right position. And of course we have the on-off button. But to use this light, you need batteries. You can use the 12V 2 ampere hours or the 4 ampere hours, it is your choice. The brightness 100% and 50%. It doesn't matter, same battery, more capacity. With the 4 ampere hours, you can use it and as a stand, very convenient. With one indicator here when it is on the light, green light. You don't have any indicators for your battery to know all the time the capacity. And of course you need a charger to charge these batteries. And the charger is not included. Very durable. So let's take a look. The brightness at the night. I really like the portability, the bright output and how easy it is to position the light exactly where you need it. If you ever try to work under a sink, inside a car engine or in a dark shed while holding a flashlight in your teeth, you know how frustrating it is. The light solves that. It's compact, incredibly bright for its size, and the fact that it stands on its own or hooks onto whatever you are working on makes it a total set and forget tool.